The future is now. Top 10 AI tools for software development in 2024. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 10 AI tools that are transforming the world of software development. We're talking next-level stuff here, AI that helps you write code faster, smarter, and with fewer late-night debugging sessions. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, this is happening right now. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your coding journey, these tools are here to change the game. So buckle up, because we're about to explore some seriously impressive AI that's going to make you a coding ninja. GitHub Copilot, your AI pairing partner. First up, we've got GitHub Copilot. Now, if you're tired of wrestling with syntax errors and spending hours searching for the right function, Copilot is about to become your new best friend. Imagine this. You start typing, and Copilot's right there with you, suggesting entire lines of code, functions, even comments. It's like having a super-powered coding buddy looking over your shoulder, but without the judgment. And the best part? It gets smarter over time. As you use Copilot, it learns your coding style, your preferences, and even the specific libraries you like to use. It's like having an AI intern that actually does the work and learns from the experience. Tab9 AI-powered code completion on steroids. Next, we have Tab9, and let me tell you, this one's a beast when it comes to code completion. We're talking support for over 20 programming languages, from Python to Java to C++. So no matter your language of choice, Tab9's got you covered. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Tab9 digs deep into your code base, understanding the context and relationships between different parts of your project. This means the suggestions it gives are incredibly accurate and relevant, saving you from scrolling through endless lists of irrelevant autocompletes. Trust me, once you go Tab9, you won't go back. Kite, your AI-powered coding knowledge base. Now let's talk about Kite. This AI tool is like having a walking, talking coding encyclopedia by your side 24/7. Imagine this, you're working on a complex function and need to remember the exact syntax. Instead of wasting time Googling it, you just hover over the code, and bam! Kite instantly pops up with the documentation, examples, and even related code snippets. But it gets even better. Kite also analyzes your code in real time, identifying potential errors and suggesting improvements before you even run your code. It's like having a personal coding tutor who's always watching out for you. Chapter 4. Deep Code, the AI debugger that never sleeps. Let's be honest, debugging is the worst. But what if I told you there's an AI tool that can find those pesky bugs for you? That's where Deep Code comes in. This tool uses the power of machine learning to analyze your code not just for syntax errors but for logical flaws and potential security vulnerabilities. It's like having a super-powered code reviewer who never gets tired and never misses a detail. Deep Code integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket, making it incredibly easy to incorporate into your existing workflow. Chapter 5. Codota, Code Completion, Fueled by the Wisdom of Millions. Next up we have Codota, an AI code completion tool that's like having access to the collective knowledge of millions of developers. Codota has been trained on a massive data set of open-source code, which means it can generate incredibly accurate and context-aware code suggestions. But it's not just about copying and pasting from Stack Overflow. Codota understands the intent behind your code, suggesting solutions that are not only syntactically correct but also semantically relevant to what you're trying to achieve. It's like having a team of expert programmers whispering the right code into your ear. Chapter 6. PyCharm, the Python powerhouse gets smarter. Now, if you're a Python developer, you're probably already familiar with PyCharm. But did you know that this already powerful IDE is getting a serious AI boost? PyCharm's intelligent code completion and error detection are now powered by machine learning, making it even easier to write clean, efficient Python code. PyCharm can even learn your coding style and preferences, suggesting code snippets and completing entire blocks of code based on your past projects. It's like having a personalized coding assistant that speaks fluent Python. Chapter 7. In today's world, security is paramount, and that's where Snike comes in. This AI-powered tool is like a security guard for your code, constantly scanning for vulnerabilities and suggesting fixes before they can be exploited. Snike integrates with your existing development workflow, scanning your code, dependencies, and even your container images for potential security risks. And the best part? Snike doesn't just tell you what's wrong. It provides clear, actionable steps to remediate the vulnerabilities, ensuring that your code is as secure as it can be. Chapter 8. Code Guru, Amazon's AI-powered code whisperer. Amazon's Code Guru is like having a senior developer looking over your shoulder, offering helpful advice and pointing out areas for improvement. This AI-powered code review tool uses machine learning to analyze your code, identify potential bugs, and suggest best practices based on Amazon's vast coding experience. But Code Guru doesn't just point out problems, it provides specific, actionable recommendations to improve your code quality, making you a better developer in the process. It's like having access to Amazon's coding expertise without having to move to Seattle. Chapter 9. IntelliCode Microsoft injects AI into your IDE. Microsoft's IntelliCode is like a turbocharger for your Visual Studio IDE. This AI-assisted code completion tool takes code suggestions to the next level, using machine learning to understand your code context and suggest the most relevant and accurate completions. But IntelliCode doesn't just work with individual lines of code, it can even suggest entire code blocks and functions, saving you time and effort. It's like having a team of Microsoft engineers whispering the right code into your ear. Chapter 10. Hound, your AI-powered code review buddy. Last, but not least, we have Hound, an AI tool that's like having an extra set of eyes on your code, ensuring that every line meets your team's standards. Hound integrates seamlessly with your Git workflow, automatically reviewing code changes and flagging potential issues before they make it to production. But Hound isn't just about catching errors, it also enforces coding-style guidelines, ensures consistent code formatting, and even helps you write more secure and performant code. It's like having a tireless code reviewer who never sleeps and never misses a detail. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 AI tools that are making waves in software development. From AI-powered code completion to automated code reviews, these tools are changing the game, making developers more productive, more efficient, and more secure. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your coding journey, I encourage you to check out these tools and see how they can help you level up your coding game. The future of software development is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. See you in the next video.